Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to talk about one of the most uncomfortable topic, that is how to speak in front of the camera. I was a shy person too. For me, camera was pretty scary. I used to go blank. I used to feel stupid. But somehow I overcame that fear of talking in front of the camera. So here I am, sitting right in front of you, feeling confident, and I'm easily, comfortably able to talk. I know most of the artists are very shy in socializing, in talking in front of the camera. So here are 5 exercises for them which will help them to get over their fear of speaking in front of the camera. These are all tried and tested by me because this is how I am sitting right now in front of you and speaking. So okay, so number 1, writing down key points in your diary. So when I used to start my recording, I used to go blank. Many of time it has happened with me. So instead I started writing a script. But when I started writing a script, the script was very lengthy, and when I used to speak on the camera, the script used to feel very monotonous, or maybe it was like I have to speak what the script says, right? It was like learn, copy and paste kind of thing. So instead of that, I made some key points on the topics that I want to talk about. So making those key points, and with the help of those key points, I used to talk around those key points, which gave me a little bit of freedom that I can use my example, improvise my script as and when needed, and it also gave a real feeling of that I'm talking to you. So this was one of the exercises that I did. Moving on, number 2, I used to not like my voice. I hated my voice when I used to record initially. I realized that I didn't like my voice, or it was not something that my voice is not great. It is just that I was not familiar with my voice. My head was not used to my voice in the recordings. So to overcome this, I did an exercise. I read a paragraph, I recorded that voice, and I heard that voice, right, 2-3 times in a day. And eventually my mind got used to my voice, which is to come into the recording, however it used to sound. And finally I got familiarized with my voice. So this was the problem. It was not actually a problem. It was just that I was not familiar with my voice, so I didn't like it. So you can just record it, and you just have to get used to it. Then number 3 was I was really scary and uncomfortable talking in front of the camera. Like I used to feel stupid, like literally stupid. I used to judge myself. So to overcome that, I did some research, definitely, and there were few exercises that I got, from which only one worked for me. That is, I sat in one of the corner of my room with the camera, and I treated the camera as my friend. I practiced one day that I just told the camera how my day was. Like I sat in one of the corner, that is the balcony of my house, and I just started speaking randomly that, I went here, I went there, I traveled through train, it was such a rush, and etc, right? So as I started sharing and treated the camera like my friend, I had to get little comfortable in talking to the camera. I stopped judging myself, and it was just like, okay, I'm just talking to a friend. This camera is my friend. So that became little easy and convenient for me to speak in front of the camera. So you can also try this exercise. It is definitely going to help. Caring too much about how you look and how you dress, you should, right? Because sometimes wearing something that you like makes you feel confident. It can be clothes, it can be makeup, it can be a lipstick, it can be anything, right? So definitely try to wear something that you look good in, so that it will push your confidence. But again, caring too much about what to wear, how I look, and what I wore is not going to help. But if you look decent enough, your content is what matters. scared to make mistakes. Initially, what if I said something wrong, or what if I paused for a long time, what if I got blanked out? So these were all of my scary thoughts in my mind. But let me tell you one thing, editing helps a lot in this process. I'll be very honest with you, editing helps a lot. Even if you said a wrong word, just re-record it and you can just put that word in the place where you said a wrong word, or you can just, if it is a pause, just cut that pause. It's as simple as that. What I do is I do 2 recordings. The first recording, I allow myself to make as many mistakes as possible, but in the second recording I improvise and I make sure I don't make the same mistakes again, and I make sure that I want to edit this video as little as possible. I hope this might help you. I have only 3 advices for you. Just start. Number 2, it's okay to make mistakes, editing will help. And number 3, try to treat your camera like your friend. Please do like, share and subscribe this video, and I'll see you in the next episode. Bye.